Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a DIY canvas art painting. I will be upcycling a painting that I already have just to make it a little bit more me. So let's go ahead and get into this video. This is the painting that it was never meant to go over my fireplace. It was never meant to go over my fireplace. This is actually gonna go in my office, but I do not like this. I picked this up probably from like Burlington. I'm sure it wasn't expensive. It might have been like $20 or something. I think it worked for my apartment, but for, again, my house, I am going with this, art gallery themed. I would prefer all of the paintings to actually be canvas. I'm gonna come a little bit closer. Sorry you guys, I have so much stuff on my floor right now. This is actually a print, right? If you see, and it's printed on the side too. So it's actually a print. It's not a canvas painting, and I like the textures of canvas paintings just a lot better. And also too, I just want to paint it myself. Like, I want to say that every art piece in my house came from me. So yeah, I also, what I don't like about it is I want this to be more simplified. I feel like it is a little too busy. And also too, I want it to just be black and white. And right now you can see that there's like some traces of gray in there, and there's just like a lot of curves, a lot of little lines. It's just not what I want. So we're gonna upcycle this painting. I'm gonna paint it all white, and we're gonna start from scratch. And then so yeah, I'm gonna take you guys on the process so that you can see how I do it. Pretty simple. I don't have that many supplies. And then yeah, we'll hang it up in our office. Part one is complete. I have covered the base of it. So now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and let this dry. I might touch up just a few areas, but honestly, I feel like I don't really have to. But because my paint brush is still wet, and I just finished, I'm just gonna go ahead and touch up like that corner there, because you can still see some of it. But for the most part, it's done. We have a nice clean base, so I'm gonna let this dry, get ready to do something else, and then we'll hop back into this. This is the final product. This is actually my second time doing this. The first time around, I did not like it, and so I painted over it white. You can kind of see, if you look hard enough, some of my previous work, but I think it's fine. It looks better. I'm happy with it. I think the difference between this one and the first one that I did, the first one, I felt like I was trying too hard. and it didn't seem organic, and so it was really frustrating me. This one, also the first one was all straight lines, so this one I kind of like did some curved edges, or it was a little bit more organic, so I feel better about this, and I think it came out good. So I am about to let this dry. I will probably hang it up in the morning, just so I can make sure it's fully dry. But yeah, this is the final look.